I lost 180 pounds on a meat-focused way of eating, and here's what I ate today. Happy Sunday. I have come to the convenient care, the urgent care, to see if I can get me some medications for my sinus infection. But it's Mercy Urgent Care. Just thought I'd tell y'all where I'm starting at my Sunday morning. My voice is definitely sore and my throat's sore, so there may not be a lot of talking today. You're probably going to get a short video. I have steak and eggs. Didn't measure it. I ain't feeling like measuring today. Anyway, so I'm super excited. I've not had the regimen she's doing. She's calling in an order of Augmentin, and then she gave me a Decadron shot. I'm going to look that up and stuff. But anyway, I told her usually they do Rocephin and Kenalog, and she said that Decadron is stronger than Kenalog, and she said that the Rocephin, it's overkill, and because it's a shot, it only lasts about 8 hours. So anyway, so I'm very intrigued to find out how this works for me, because, you know, if that's the case, this is an urgent care, so it's a walk-in clinic, so you don't even have to make an appointment and all that good stuff. So I make up some more of this. It's in salt, it's my electrolytes. So hopefully I'll remember to do that. But anyway, so yeah, so that's my Sunday. I ain't gonna do a lot of talking with y'all today. I just ache from back of my throat to up to my sinuses, like this area from the back. So sore. But anyway, I love y'all. Like I said, it's probably gonna be a short video. I'm sipping on coffee, and you're leaning against my hot water. It's 10 o'clock right now. As I was driving through town, I did have a mild thought, man, I should go pull in somewhere and get something. So, deviating from my routine. But then I'm like, what are you gonna do? Go get a bunch of nuts? And then what? So I was very much able to talk myself off the ledge. Who knows? We'll see. We gotta just keep our eye on the situation. All right, bye. Hello. I'm making it. Man, I did a double shot of salt in my saline rinse earlier. Oh, that hurt so bad. You're not only supposed to do one little packet, but I did 2. But I did get some relief. Between that and whether it's the shot, I don't know. Okay, so it's only 3 o'clock. Please understand that. But I'm hungry. My stomach is growling. The dog's stomach was growling. So I thought, you know what? Let's do this thing. So, yeah, 3 o'clock. If I eat some later, I'll tell you tomorrow. This is some electrolytes. This is red cranberry Zevia. I bought the fruity blend variety pack. And my electrolytes. I've been eating the heck out of electrolytes today. Today's cheese is matured Gouda. I think they go on repeat. I don't know if I've had this one yet, but today's day 14. Ugh. She knows I ain't got a good voice. Did I hear her coming in? Nope, I see Sammy. Oh, there she is. Good deal, because I was not wanting to yell. That's good. Now, what do I have in here? Too many calories. I know that. But it just sounded good. You know, when you feel sickly, different things sound good. So this is some rotisserie chicken. I microwaved it with some, I don't know, I had a little bitty package of ground beef in there, like 2 tablespoons worth of ground beef that's already cooked. So I put that in there. I added some of my new adobo seasoning. And then I put in some of that Alfredo. And then I pan fried 3 eggs in tallow. And that's what this mess is. So it's chicken, beef. Oh, and I put bacon pieces on my eggs. Yeah. We ain't weighing this weekend. No sirree, Bob. But when you don't feel good, you don't feel good. You do what you got to do. Food is my cure-all. So let's give it a taste. I have like a little sore right here. So it's hard to rest my spoon. So I'm going to have to hold it like we did in grade school. Chicken, beef, bacon, and egg Alfredo. That's what that is. Oh, I made up some more of my electrolytes from my living room. I better have one more bite of this. Hang on. I hate when I bite my lip. This is waffle and pecan sticky bun. It's gonna be good. I wanted a creamy tonight. Yeah, buddy. That's my supper. I'm going to have to try to increase my fluticasone. Trying to do some looking at how to prevent this from happening so often. And said I need to do my sinus rinse every day. At least once a day. I need to increase my fluticasone. That's that Flonase, generic Flonase. Continue with my allergy medicine. And what else did it say? I don't remember. I'm going to research it later. I got medicine head, so I don't really care right now. But, you know, I do care about. I care about you people. I love you very much. I'm sorry. I ain't even been able to watch church today. I'm waiting until I'm in a better place. I am not in any kind of place right now to think. I've actually just been vegging and not doing anything. So I ain't even got my candles lit. So yeah, it's 2:57 and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. I will be definitely feeling better tomorrow after everything's starting to kick in. Bye.